What's going on, traders? Johnny back with another recap video, and we are up $100 on the day, which correlates to 1.69%. I don't think that's accurate, but nonetheless, still up $100 on the day, and we did it all before 10:30 a.m. So pretty cool to be able to trade for roughly 2 hours, maybe 3 hours, and make $100 and go about my day. So we're gonna go ahead and break down exactly how I did it. And all that I ask is that you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and bring up WEBULL, and if you guys want to take a look at the Discord, first link in the description below. I'll give you guys trade alerts, ideas, and etc. In our trade ideas, I talked about NASDAQ being down this morning, talking about adding to a position, starting a position, selling at a certain price point, adding another position, and then getting in and locking in that $100. And then I still give you updates after, even when I make profits, to showcase when is a good opportunity to buy for or to sell for everybody else. So let's go ahead and get into the charts. We're going to go ahead and break this down. So we noticed, of course, that the overall market was in a downtrend. I mean, it actually sold off last night due to some oil tension. Oil was up and then it was down, and there's a lot of different news about that article. But we did our Sunday stock talk, and we noticed that markets were actually down automatically 2% in our Sunday stock talk. They went down as low as almost 3% from close on Friday, and we kind of knew and expected that the markets could potentially recover. So what we did today was we waited for confirmation that the market would begin to sell off again. And we actually made money in this tiny little move right here. If I pull up Bitcoin, we can also see that Bitcoin did sell off very briefly for just a moment. We're at right around here. So I woke up at about 7. I noticed it pushing higher, and I waited till about let's see, 7:30. The bell opened, and we took a position right around this area for that nice little dip below. So we made money in this small decline from Bitcoin itself. Very small move, nothing too crazy. MSTR again had that nice little uptick and then a descending pattern. It upticked and then it sold off, ending the day about $140. But what we did a great job with MSTZ was we actually were able to trade this pretty easily here. So let's go ahead and take a look. We waited for this to sell off down to that 1051 area, and it validated that as a support much later in the day. As you can see here, it actually bounced off of that level twice. So this blue line validating support. But what we did was we waited for it to sell off, and we noticed that it was actually beginning an uptick. These 1, 2, 3 candles verified that it was pushing up. We bought 50 shares at 1062, so we kept our position very light. Of course, I would have liked to have bought more. And then we bought another 50 shares at 1082 when it confirmed that the market was pushing up. We bought another 50 at 1094. And if you see, there's a trend, right? As it pushes higher, we're adding more to our position. We then bought 50 more at 1097. And we bought 50 more at 1095. So there was a little bit of a flat line here for just a moment. And then what we did a good job was we locked in 100 shares at 1120. So we're buying in 1062 range, 1082 range, 1094, and 1097. I believe we had a nice average of around 1087, if I'm not mistaken. We sold 100 shares at 1120, and at this point we're up $87. We then noticed this big red candle. We sold another 50 shares at 1116, and from there we were up about I think $75. And as it began to sell off, I would have loved to have actually bought more down at 1050, but I ended up buying some more at 1068, 100 shares at 1068, and then I bought another 100 shares at 1061. So I bought them at a very nice low, right around this level here. And as it pushed up, that's when we really stepped on the gas and we sold 100 shares at 1082, 100 shares at 1087, and then the other final 100 shares at 1088 and 1087. So this locked in over $90 in profit. Now we did take another couple of trades. We bought here, we sold, we bought some more, and then that's what gave us $100 in profit on these last two trades. So it took me about an hour. Let's see, it took me about 45 minutes to lock in close to $90, and then it took about another hour after that to lock in the other $10, right? So it wasn't actually the best way to trade. Honestly, if I could have just bought, 3 or 400 shares down at this level and pushed up and sold, we would have probably been a little bit better off. Even buying at 1060, because we're not the perfect trader, we probably wouldn't have got that perfect entry at 1050, and selling at 1120, which is where we actually sold at. This we could have made 60 cents per share, and on 300 to 400 shares, that would have been 6, 12, 18, 180 to $240 on this one little move. But we played it very safe today. We identified that it was a oversold setup, and we bought this nice little rally. We sold when it made sense, and we're even able to take another trade and lock in some decent profits. So that is my recap for this morning's live day trading session. We were able to lock in $100 in profit today. I am holding about 20 shares overnight. I did buy in a little bit more. I do have an average share price of, let's go ahead and take a look, of 1085. So I have 21 shares because I kept my one lucky share. I added 20 more shares to it, and we are holding at 1085. So a slight dip, nothing too crazy, but overall we made a decent amount of money today. I'm very happy with how much we were able to lock in. And again, $100 a day on a very small account will actually add up really quickly. To where we're making $500 a week or even around $2,000 a month, which is nice for anyone who's trying to grow their account, especially if they start a small account challenge like I did. So if you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, participate in the live chat, ask me questions, or just watch from the sidelines, you can do that. It's 100% free, lifetime access, and it's the first link in the description below. I hope to see you all there bright and early at market open. Thank you for your time, and I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you all tomorrow.